Guys, welcome. This is gonna be a new series we're gonna be doing along with our Hoopland rebuild. It's gonna be a reputable college rebuild with the worst team in college football last year, the Purdue Boilermakers, and we're gonna go until we win the Natty. So here we go. So far, as you can see, um, we're gonna. I send the first game because you start in like week four, the last game of your regular season before you go on to next year. So I send that. We of course lost. I don't really care. We get into these freshman admissions here. Um, we need a of course running back and a receiver. I'm thinking about how to get this. So 24 plus 22 is going to give us about. This is the best running back we can get. He's actually really solid, so I think we're going to get that. And for wide receiver, 24. What's this guy? Okay, DeMarco can be a 4.5 star. He can only be a 3 star. And this guy also costs less, so we're going to take that. So it gives us 9K. What can we spend that on? Um, yeah, I think that's it. So let's get into it. I'm gonna play the first game. We're gonna play the home opener. I play on 3 minutes. We're gonna be playing on 3 minutes and hard, but against top. I'm gonna do no kickoffs, but against top 25 teams, we're gonna be playing on extreme. Yeah, Morgan State. Okay, here we go. Surat, 10 yards. Here we go. Like 13 yards. I mean, this is just Morgan State, but I am playing on hard mode, so they're going to be a lot harder than expected. But that's a great run. That is a great run. Wow. And tie the game up at 7. Hopefully, we got a pick. Good move. 16 yards. Blitz. Cummings got to get it off. Please don't be picked. And I just threw a pick as well, just like Morgan State did. Turn it over. Midfield, the pass, incomplete, and they punt. All right, on our own 16 right now. Oh, good run. 12 yards. Not bad. Not bad at all. We do have a tight end on this team, so that's worth something. Okay, he catches that. 18 yards. Here we go. Caught. First down. And this should be the last play of the first quarter. Air it out. Oh my gosh. On his head. 16 yards to end the quarter. Let's go. Let's do this. All right. We got this. Find the tight end over the middle. Cool. Hurdle. Stiff arm. 23 yards. And we can just run this in to finish the drive, hopefully. Oh, we got stuffed by Morgan State right there. Here we go. 3rd and goal. Another run. Third time's the charm. Yep. Touchdown. The kick is good. So easy 14-7 lead early. All right, Hurdle. We do want to get one. All right, they did tie the game up though. So got to hit the tight end. Gertie, nice. Here we go. Got about 120 left in the half. Okay, quick little stutter run. 9 yards. 5 yards. And we got about a minute left in the half. Good run to the outside. Good job, 6 yards. And running again because I don't like the passing plays that they're giving me. Oh my gosh. You gotta get me. Okay, Surratt, thank you. Thank you for recovering that, bro. DeMarco, 10 yards. Caught. 11 yards. Not all right. We got about 20 seconds left. I don't think we need to call a timeout at all this half. And it's caught by DeMarco. Easy touchdown. And hopefully we take that lead into half, unless our defense crumbles. They don't, and we get the ball. Good catch. 19 yards. Another 18. I mean, we're just moving the ball pretty quickly. Gertie, 16 yards, and we're already at the 15, just like that. End zone. Gertie, touchdown. Wow. 28-14. Play. Jeez, they just ran through us on that play, on that drive. Good run. Good run. 10 yards though. 10 yards. Run up the middle. Only one. Nine yards. Third and short. I'm gonna run it again. I really like to run the ball because early, especially in your first year, when you don't really have a good quarterback, you need a good running back because if you don't have a good running back, you're not gonna get anything. You're gonna throw a bunch of picks because your quarterback kind of sucks first year. Gertie, make another grab. Fumbled. Good job by Surratt to get another fumble recovery. DeMarco cut it back. 13 yards. So we go to the fourth with the lead. End zone. Oh, almost a diving grab. You know what? We're going to go back to it. That's a Gertie. Gertie. All reliable. Kick on the way is good. All right. All we got to do is just ice out the game. Nice. Oh, get to the outside. Good job. Good cut. Big gain. Big gain of 9, though. Big gain. Pick up another first down. We just got to keep getting first downs and not throw picks. What a grab. That was a terrible decision. 1 yard. Caught. 15 yards, and yeah, we're icing the game away. As long as nothing bad happens, we can just ice the game away. Surratt, bounce the outside. 16 yards, pushed us out of bounds. Ball game. Yep, there it is. DeMarco. We'll just get the touchdown, and we'll wrap up the game. All right, a good week 1 win. We're going to praise the fans. But yeah, as you can see, pretty good game out of the team as we get Washington. Yeah, we're going to praise him playing Retro Bowl. The team gate crashed a party thrown by students from Nazee Levine's engineering program after they passed a recent test, and everyone had a great time. Okay, Washington is not ranked, so we will only have to play them on hard. Let's give them these UDs. Actually, we're just gonna go with the basic homes. Here we go, week 2. Already have an early conference game. I'm gonna play this one. I am gonna play this one, and then it'll probably be end of the video. Probably gonna play 2 games of video. 10 yards. All right. Quick pickup. Okay. Oh, 13 right there. We're just kind of waltzing our way through. Sorry I didn't post a video, guys, yesterday. I was really busy. But don't worry. I was packing yesterday for vacation. But I'll mainly be posting over the next couple of days retro bowl videos because I'm not near my computer, so I can't continue the Hoopland series. He was 3 yards right there. Going end zone. Going end zone. DeMarco. What a grab. Kicks off. Ooh. 18 yards. Oh, if I could just made that guy miss. DeMarco gets it. Cut back. 16. I mean, we're just kind of walking it down the field. 6 yards. Yeah, Gertie, he's wide open. Easy touchdown. All right, they punted. So defense actually not been bad so far, despite being a 1-star. Oh, Surratt breaks a tackle. 16 yards. I mean, okay, I like that. They blitz. Surratt, if you can just get past that guy, he needs to be a little bit stronger, you know? Just need a little bit more strength out of him. Oh, 7 yards. Just keep running the ball. It's working. Not right there, though. Here we go. Bring it in. DeMarco. Fumbled and turnover. You've got to be kidding me. And they score easily. Yeah. Oh, DeMarco breaks multiple tackles. 36 yards. Longest passing play so far. Only 1 yard. Jeez. DeMarco. 15 yards. Ooh. Second down. DeMarco. End zone. Caught. Easy 6 yards. And we're going to take the lead into the half. Second game in a row, baby. And that kick is good. And they score. So we're tied. It's 12 yards. DeMarco. Wide open. 11 yards. Again, we're just kind of working it right now. Gertie. Stiff arm. Broken tackle. 20 yards. That's how you do it. Broken tackle. 5 yards. Yeah, Washington's not really letting us run on them. We've been able to successfully pass the football though. Here we go. DeMarco, 17 yards. We just need to punch it in. We just need to punch it in. Ooh, oof. Ah, they really got us on me. Yeah, just pushing it, pushing it. I should have dove right there. But it's okay. Punch it in. All right, we take the lead. And we wasted a lot of time on that drive. Pass. And yeah, they're definitely just going to score on us. Here we go. Fourth quarter. DeMarco, please catch that. Boom. And he fumbled. Oh my gosh. He fumbled. All right, so now we're losing. Which means that we need to score fast. Or take all the time and try and force overtime. DeMarco, no. Might have to go to Gertie. Yeah, I'm going to Gertie. They don't pick that off. Got over him. 26 yards. Great job by Gertie. He's working it down quickly. $17 yards. Here we go. 7 yards. All right, gotta punch it in here. Gotta punch it in here. Quick throw. DeMarco. Touchdown. All right, 122 to go. Tie it up. No, I'm gonna try for the onside. Well, let me go for the onside kick. Yes. See, maybe ask me, why'd you do that? That was to save time. I just did it to save time. All right, just gotta do a quick slide. Jeez, they're really starting to really wrap this up. I don't like the play calls that we're going with. Don't be picked off. DeMarco, get out. All right, he got out of bounds. So that saves us a timeout. I just wasted my only audible. That's okay. 10 seconds, still all 3 timeouts. 4 seconds left. Game on the line. I'm changing my play up. Okay. Gertie, he's going to the end zone. Gertie ties us up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Going for it. We're going to overtime. We are going to overtime. All right, here we go. Surratt up the middle. 8 up on the side. 8 yards. So we're all right. Here we go. We got a good old shootout, and we lost the yard. Come on, Purdue. We got to go 2-0. Nice. Nice. 14 yards. And now DeMarco sets us up at the 3. He's got to bounce to the outside and dive in. Surratt. I don't know how to pronounce that. And we take a 49-42 lead. Okay. A touchdown wins the game. Oh my gosh. Gertie on the first play. Picks up 15. That puts us just outside the 10. DeMarco makes a move. Here we go, 2-0. DeMarco wraps it up. There we go, 2-0 to start the year. I'm gonna criticize that guy. Speaks, you're getting criticized. Any level ups? We do have a bunch of level ups for our entire offense. Strength. Yeah, DeMarco, get that speed up. So yeah, that's where we're in the video. We're 2-0 to start the year. 1-0 already in conference after that shootout, and easy and a nice win against Morgan State. So that's where we're in the video. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you like. Let me like and subscribe. It lets me know if y'all want to see more of this. Wow, want to see more of this, see more of my Hoopland stuff, and I'll bring. And if y'all want me to, Y'all let me know. I'll branch out to other games as well, like Madden, college football. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Goodbye.